When selling your home, creating a space that appeals to potential buyers is essential. Decluttering and depersonalizing are key steps to make your home inviting and allow buyers to imagine themselves living there. Here's how to create a welcoming, neutral space that maximizes selling potential. Clear out excess items to make rooms feel more spacious. Remove unnecessary furniture, clear countertops, and tidy closets and storage areas, as buyers will check these spaces. Aim to remove 50% of items from each area, using storage options or donating items you no longer need. This helps buyers focus on your home's features, not clutter. Personal items like family photos and unique decor can distract buyers. Replace personal items with neutral artwork and decor that create a blank canvas, making it easier for buyers to imagine their own style in the space. Neutral colors, like whites and soft grays, create a clean, calm atmosphere that appeals to a broad audience. If you have bold wall colors, consider repainting with neutral tones to open up spaces and allow buyers to visualize their furniture fitting seamlessly. Arrange furniture to enhance space and flow, highlighting features like large windows. Simple accents like neutral throw pillows or fresh flowers can add warmth without personalizing the space too much. A tidy, well-maintained exterior creates a strong first impression. Clear away outdoor clutter, trim bushes, mow the lawn, and ensure walkways are clean. By decluttering, depersonalizing, and staging strategically, you create a neutral, inviting space that appeals to buyers and enhances your home's marketability. Need more personalized advice? Contact us today for expert guidance.